Receptacles in vinyl J blocks require a box enclosure. The National Electrical Code, often abbreviated as NEC, requires electrical boxes to be installed behind all electrical devices, including receptacles. These boxes provide several key benefits. Firstly, protection from physical damage. Secondly, fire resistance. And thirdly, electrical safety. The assertion that fixtures can be mounted directly to a vinyl J block without a box behind it is incorrect. This practice is not permitted by the NEC and is considered unsafe. Electrical boxes for receptacles in vinyl J blocks must meet specific requirements. 1. They must be listed for use in outdoor locations. 2. They must be made of a non-combustible material such as metal or fiberglass. 3. They must be sized appropriately for the receptacle being installed. 4. They must be installed securely to the J block. In conclusion, all receptacles and vinyl J blocks must be installed with an approved electrical box. Failure to do so poses a safety hazard and violates the NEC. The NEC mandates the use of electrical boxes for receptacles to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. Boxes provide a secure enclosure for wiring connections, protecting them from physical damage, moisture, and dust. This protection is crucial for preventing short circuits, ground faults, and other electrical problems that could lead to fires or electric shocks. Furthermore, electrical boxes made of non-combustible materials such as metal or fiberglass help to contain any potential fires that may occur within the box. These boxes act as a barrier, preventing the fire from spreading to surrounding materials and structures. The NEC specifies the types of electrical boxes that are suitable for different applications, including outdoor locations. Boxes listed for outdoor use are designed to withstand the elements such as rain, snow, and sunlight. They are typically made of weather-resistant materials and have features such as gaskets and seals to prevent moisture from entering the box. The NEC also specifies the size of electrical boxes that are required for different types of receptacles and wiring configurations. The size of the box must be sufficient to accommodate the receptacle, the wiring connections, and any other devices that may be installed in the box, such as wire connectors or grounding screws. The NEC provides guidelines for calculating the required box fill, which is the maximum amount of space that can be occupied by conductors and devices in the box. The electrical box must be securely mounted to the J block to prevent it from becoming loose or dislodged. The NEC specifies the methods that can be used to secure electrical boxes, such as using screws, bolts, or other approved fasteners. The mounting method must be appropriate for the type of J block and the weight of the box and its contents. Failure to install an electrical box behind a receptacle in a vinyl J block is a violation of the NEC and can create a safety hazard. The NEC is a set of standards and guidelines that are designed to ensure the safe installation and use of electrical equipment. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advances in electrical technology and safety practices. Electrical inspectors enforce the NEC to ensure that electrical installations meet the minimum safety requirements. Failure to comply with the NEC can result in fines, penalties, and even criminal charges. Installing electrical boxes behind receptacles in vinyl J blocks is a crucial step in ensuring electrical safety and preventing electrical hazards. By following the NEC requirements and using approved materials and methods, you can help to protect yourself, your family, and your property from the dangers of electricity. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about electrical installations. They can provide guidance on the NEC requirements and help you to ensure that your electrical system is safe and compliant. Improper installation of electrical components can lead to serious consequences, including fires, electric shocks, and even death. It is important to take electrical safety seriously and to follow all applicable codes and regulations. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, serves as the cornerstone of electrical safety standards in the United States. It is a comprehensive set of guidelines that dictate the proper installation and maintenance of electrical systems. Adherence to the NEC is not merely a suggestion, it is a requirement enforced by local and national authorities to safeguard lives and property. The purpose of an electrical box extends beyond simply housing wires and connections. These enclosures are critical for several reasons. Firstly, providing physical protection to delicate wiring from external impacts and abrasions. Secondly, containing potential electrical fires by preventing the spread of flames and heat. And thirdly, ensuring electrical grounding and reducing the risk of electric shock. Installing receptacles without appropriate electrical boxes is a direct violation of the NEC and can lead to serious consequences. These can range from fines and penalties to liability in the event of an accident or fire. Electrical inspectors routinely check for code compliance, and deficiencies must be rectified promptly to avoid legal repercussions. Moreover, ignoring the NEC requirements can jeopardize the safety of occupants and property. Exposed wiring can easily be damaged, leading to short circuits, ground faults, and electrical fires. Unprotected connections are also susceptible to moisture and corrosion, which can degrade the integrity of the electrical system and increase the risk of failure. Choosing the right type of electrical box is essential for ensuring proper protection and code compliance. Boxes are available in various materials, sizes, and configurations to suit different applications. Metal boxes provide excellent physical protection and fire resistance, while non-metallic boxes are suitable for damp or corrosive environments. The size of the box must be adequate to accommodate the wiring and devices installed within it, and the box must be securely mounted to the wall or structure. When selecting an electrical box for outdoor use, it is crucial to choose a box that is specifically listed for wet locations. These boxes are designed to withstand the elements and prevent moisture from entering the enclosure. They typically have features such as weatherproof covers, gaskets, and seals. In addition to selecting the right type of box, it is also important to install it correctly. The box must be securely mounted to the wall or structure, and all wiring connections must be made properly. The box should be properly grounded to prevent electric shock. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a qualified electrician to install electrical boxes and receptacles. Electricians have the training and experience to ensure that the work is done safely and in accordance with the NEC. Attempting to perform electrical work without proper knowledge and experience can be dangerous and can lead to serious injury or death. The NEC is a complex document, and it is important to stay up to date on the latest requirements. The NEC is updated every 3 years, and the latest edition may contain significant changes that affect electrical installations. It is also important to consult with local authorities to determine if there are any additional electrical codes or regulations that apply in your area. By following the NEC and other applicable codes and regulations, you can help to ensure the safety of your electrical system and prevent electrical hazards. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility, and it is important to take it seriously. If you have any questions or concerns about electrical safety, please consult with a qualified electrician. Remember, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is not just a set of rules. It's a comprehensive guide designed to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical installations. Adhering to the NEC protects individuals from electrical hazards and minimizes the risk of property damage. When it comes to receptacles in vinyl J-blocks, there's no room for compromise. Electrical boxes are mandatory for all installations. It's not a matter of preference, it's a matter of safety and code compliance. Think of the electrical box as a protective shield for the receptacle and its wiring. It safeguards against physical damage, fire hazards, and electrical shocks. Without an electrical box, the wiring is exposed and vulnerable, increasing the risk of accidents. The NEC specifies that electrical boxes used in wet locations, such as outdoors, must be listed for that purpose. These boxes are designed to withstand the elements and prevent moisture from entering, which can cause corrosion and electrical malfunctions. Metal boxes offer superior protection against physical damage and fire, while non-metallic boxes are suitable for corrosive environments. The choice depends on the specific application and environmental conditions. A properly sized electrical box ensures there's enough space for the receptacle, wiring, and any necessary connectors. Overcrowding can lead to overheating and potential hazards. The NEC provides guidelines for calculating box fill to prevent such issues. A secure installation is crucial for the stability and safety of the electrical box. It should be firmly attached to the J-block using appropriate fasteners. A loose or improperly mounted box can create a safety hazard and violate code requirements. Ignoring the electrical box requirement for receptacles in final J-blocks can have serious consequences. It's not just about code violations. It's about putting lives and property at risk. Exposed wiring can lead to electrical shocks, fires, and other hazards. The NEC is constantly evolving to incorporate new technologies and address emerging safety concerns. Staying updated on the latest edition is essential for ensuring compliance and maintaining a safe electrical system. Local authorities may have additional electrical codes and regulations that supplement the NEC. It's important to be aware of these local requirements and adhere to them accordingly. If you're unsure about any aspect of electrical installation, always consult a qualified electrician. They have the expertise and experience to ensure the work is done safely and in accordance with the code. Electrical safety should never be taken lightly. Following the NEC and using proper installation techniques are crucial for protecting yourself, your family, and your property from electrical hazards. Remember, safety is paramount. When it comes to electrical installations, there are no shortcuts or compromises. Adhering to the NEC and using appropriate materials and methods are essential for ensuring a safe and reliable electrical system. It's tempting to cut corners or take shortcuts to save time or money, but electrical safety should never be compromised. The consequences of a faulty electrical installation can be severe, including fires, electric shocks, and even death. The NEC provides specific requirements for electrical boxes, including the type of material, size, and installation method. These requirements are designed to ensure that the electrical box provides adequate protection for the wiring and devices installed within it. For example, the NEC requires that electrical boxes used in wet locations be listed for that purpose. These boxes are designed to withstand the elements and prevent moisture from entering, which can cause corrosion and electrical malfunctions. The NEC also specifies the minimum size of electrical boxes based on the number and size of conductors and devices installed within them. This ensures that there is enough space for the wiring and devices to be properly installed and that the box does not become overcrowded, which can lead to overheating and potential hazards. In addition to the NEC, local authorities may have additional electrical codes and regulations that apply in your area. It is important to be aware of these local requirements and adhere to them accordingly. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical installation, always consult a qualified electrician. They have the expertise and experience to ensure that the work is done safely and in accordance with the code. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. By following the NEC and using proper installation techniques, we can all help to protect ourselves, our families, and our communities from electrical hazards. Remember, electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Always take precautions and follow safety guidelines when working with electricity. And if you are ever unsure about something, consult a qualified electrician. It's always better to be safe than sorry. The NEC serves as a comprehensive guide, outlining the specific requirements for various electrical installations. It's essential to consult the NEC for detailed information on electrical box requirements and other safety guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the relevant sections of the NEC to ensure compliance and safety. Staying updated on the latest edition of the NEC is crucial, as it incorporates new technologies and addresses emerging safety concerns. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so make sure you have access to the most current version. Consider attending electrical safety training courses to enhance your knowledge and skills. These courses provide valuable insights into the NEC and safe electrical practices. A thorough understanding of electrical safety principles is essential for preventing accidents and ensuring a safe working environment. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. Electricity is a powerful force that demands respect and caution.